16 million vibrant colors and 7 scenes modes options on Govee Home App for smart car LED lights. It is convenient to turn lights on or off, dim or brighten the underglow for car with one tap. With a mic on phone, you can sync your music to your underlights for car with ease, choose from soft or dynamic mode and watch your LED lights for car dance to the beat of your favorite songs, helping you drive in style. No matter what car model you drive, our under-car lights connecting wires enable it to perfectly decorate. 2 lines design car LED lights make setup a breeze, ensure lighting brightness as well. 2 strip lights with long wires helps connect the underglow strip lights. Install your LED lights for car easily with the provided strong adhesives and reinforce them with the clips and screws for more security.